What is it?
Wala lang.
Wala lang. You need to write your name. Write your name. How to hold your pencil properly?
Ganito.
Okay, it's too long. What is the right? Okay, do it yourself. Okay, good. Okay, first you have to start here.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Start letter A from the top. Color blue to blue, right? Okay, right. Here. Letter A. Letter A. A is for?
Apple.
Okay, good. D is for?
For elephant.
No, D is for dog.
Dog.
H is for hat.
Hatta.
I is for ink.
Inka.
R is for
For
rabbit.
rabbit.
A is for
For
apple.
apple.
J is for
For
joy.
joy.
L is for love.
Love.
E is for
Sorry.
elephant.
Elephant.
Oh, no. You need to hold properly your pencil. How to do it?
D.
No, it's not.
D.
Nag-aaral eh, so kami lang. Nag-aaral.
Ito wado.
Nag-grade.
Ito
Parang
wado.
uulan siya pero hindi naman yan.
Parang hindi na. Parang kaay.
I, again.
Hintay pa niya yung may.
Aya.
I, period.
Period.
Y is for
For
yo-yo.
yo-yo.
H is for
For
happy.
happy.
Then, letter N. Big N is for no.
No.
Period.
Period.
J is for Jollibee.
Jollibee.
A is for apple. No, you have to see. You have to watch what you need. Ay, you're not listening. Look at your paper. You have to look at your paper when you writing. You have to see it what you do.
Right.
Yeah, you are writing. So you need to know, diba? If it's right.
Right.
Oh.
D.
Do it. Next is letter R. Next is letter A. Next is M. Next I.
Mama.
Then next to letter L and then letter O. You need to hold it properly. O. Next, turn the other page. Write again.